Another type of operator is comparison operator. What exactly comparison operator do? It compares both numbers and tells the result whether it is greater than or whether it is less than or whether it is equal to or whether it is not equal to. Let's see what are those operators. First, this is the symbol of equals to, this is less than, this is greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, this is not equals to, so on. So for example, if you take a equals to 5, b equals to 6, if I put a equals to b, now it is a 5 equals to 6. The answer is wrong. It compares between 5 and 6. These are the operators, and if it is not, then it results false, something like that. Okay, and now the a is, let's change the operators here. Now let's change less than. 5 is less than 6. Yes, right. So the answer is true. So like this is the result it will return to output. So but where these things will be applied, we will see once all the concepts are clear. We will start developing the program, and during that time I will explain once again on this during the writing the program. So that's it all about operators. This is the comparison operators. Let's go to the next topic.